is built in order to help all struggling traders outside there in order to excel and make in the forex market, in order to make profit consistently in the forex market. You can also check the link to our channel, the link to our website, ags-forex.com. You can also check a lot of information about us in the description of this video. You can also check our premium content in the description of this video, or you can go to our website aga-forex.com. So let's move. Good evening, everyone. Hey, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'm back again with another awesome free strategy. So good evening, everyone. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. We are here to help all struggling traders. If you know that you are a struggling trader and you are having problem with trading, please kindly DM me or chat my support managers who can be able to help you. If you want a strategy, we have a strategy for you. If you want a trading plan, we have a trading plan for you. If you want to build a system for yourself, it's good you should build a system for yourself. But the advice I always give every trader, please never trade against the trend. Always trade with the trend. This is a live trade. I've given a buy signal today in my VIP group. This is the time I posted the signal. It's around 4:43 GMT. You can see I give a signal, trade range break buy signal. You can see I give a entry, I give stop loss, I give take profit, I give everything here. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So you can see this is where I give the signal, and after I gave the signal, I confirmed my entry around this area. You can see this is where I get this is where I got my entry. This is where I got my entry, and entry confirmed. And here we are now. Here we are. You can see this is our entry. This is our entry. This is where we got the confirmation. Let me show you. This is where we got the confirmation. Look at it here. This is where we get our confirmation here. This is where we get our confirmation. We got our confirmation here. I got our confirmation from the cross of our almighty moving average. This is Forex. I can see some new numbers. Please, for those that are new to this channel, kindly appreciate us by clicking on the subscribe button. This will enable YouTube to always notify you whenever I upload a free strategy like this one. I'm going to give you the settings of the strategy now. After I give you the settings, then I will move on. You can see the running profit now. After I give the strategy, then I will move on. I give you the conditions for the strategy. After I give you the settings for the strategy, then I'm going to give you the conditions for the strategy. So let me first give you the settings. On the main window indicator, we have the moving average. You can see the period is 50. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to weighted close HLCC/4, no levels, style, you can use 4 pixel. I use 4 pixel. You can, the color I used is gold or something, gold or yellow, anyone you feel like. It depends on the color you want, so you can choose your own color. So that's that about that. And this is the moving average we just inserted here. Then the next moving average, the next settings on the window indicator 1. Let's go on. We'll first pull RSI. Period 1, apply to close levels 15, 95, 0, 90, 10, 0, 10, 50, 0, 0. So that's, you can see here are the settings, and you can make the style any pixel, but the color, make sure it's the same color with your background color. I make it white. I just need the frame for the RSI, I'm going to have my own settings inside. So that's that about that. So let's move on. After the RSI, this is the RSI. You can see the RSI, overbought and oversold levels. Then let's move on. Let's go back to this moving average. You can see the first moving average is what? The period is 50, shift 0. No, this is shift 2. This shift is 2. The first moving average 50, shift 2. Method exponential, applied weighted close, HLSS4. The style is 4 pixel. I use 4 pixel. The color is red, so you can choose the color you want, and you can use my own color, but I advise you use my own colors. After you are used to it, you can change it to your own favorite color. That's it about that. So that's that. Let's go to the next moving average. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 moving averages here, and all those moving averages are very good and easy to understand. So please kindly stick to me in this video so that you can be able to get the settings for the strategy, and also you can get the guidelines and the rules for the strategy, which you can be able to use and make your own money. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to have you here. So let's move on. Our next settings on the strategy is our second moving average. We have the period is 3, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, no level, style. I use 2 pixel. I use pink color. You can use your own color, but I advise you stick to this one. After you are used to it, you can change to your own color. The next moving average is what? Is the 5 moving average. You can see the period is 5, shifts 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels, no levels, style, 2 pixel, color blue. Is it blue? It should be like not blue. Anyway, look at the color. So you can use this color. You can still put your own color if you want. That's that about that. Then the next one, period is 13, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, color blue is blue color. You can also put your own color if you want, but I advise you stick to this one when you are used to it. You can, this is the third one, fourth one. Let's go to the fifth one. The fifth one is what? The period is 8, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, color dark blue. This is somehow dark bluish. So the second to the last, you can see the moving average period is 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel. The color is red. I should say it's red. The last moving average is the 200 exponential moving average, and the same thing. The shift is 2 here. Method exponential, apply to close, levels, no levels, style 4 pixel, color green. So you can see we have the settings complete. You can see all settings are complete now. This is what we have. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So this is exactly what we have. So you can see this strategy, you can use it to trade not only range break, but you can use it to trade boom and crash and any other trading instrument, you know. So let's move on our conditions for the honorable strategy. I call this strategy the honorable strategy. Why I say it's honorable? Because whenever you get your exact entry point, it will honor you to get your good entry and your good exit. Let's move on. So let's move on the honorable strategy. This is where we get our entry. You can see it here. This is where we get our entry confirmations. So number one conditions for the strategy: make sure you are following the trend, or the market hit a support level before you buy or sell. The market hits a support level before you buy, or the market hits a resistance level before you sell. That's the number one basic rule for the strategy. Number two rule, when you what to understand with the strategy, when all these moving averages inside this RSI has given you the way, because the aim and objectives of these moving averages is for them to give you the clear wave of this market. You can see the we got our confirmation here. All the moving averages and red moving averages are on this base support level. You can see if I drag this to the left, to the right, we have a static point here, not like this one. Let me show you what I mean. You can see this one. You can see this market looks as it's on its base support or base resistance, but when you drag the screen towards, you see it's raising up. But look at this base point for this market. You can see at this base point, both moving averages together with the 200 together with the 50 moving averages all hit this level. After they hit this level, they form a curve like this, and the market crossed this 200 moving average upward and it started trending. So whenever I saw this confirmation, this is the first, or this is the second rule for the strategy. You should have all the moving averages together with the 50 moving average. The red bolt moving average is the 50 moving average. When you get it here, then you should wait for them to cross this green moving average, which is the 200 exponential moving average. Whenever this happens at a support or on the opposite at a resistance, you can quickly go and look for your second confirmation. Your second confirmation is for you to see a candle cross and close above the 50 moving average on the main chart. The zoom level is last. You can see I zoom out here, so you have to zoom to the last zoom level. That's the zoom level for the strategy, last zoom level. And this strategy works best with 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and also the 15 minutes time frame. You can see, so on the 15 minute time frame, we have full stop loss for this our market, and we'll allow the market to continue running. So the market may continue going higher, because even on the 15 minute time frame, you can see all the moving averages, the moving average cross this green upward. So that's that about that. You can see, go back to the 5 minutes chart, it's the same thing. Go back to the 1 minute chart, it's the same thing. This is at non-global access forex. So these are the only three conditions for the strategy. Let me give you a recap of the conditions for the strategy. Number one, the market must be in an uptrend or in a downtrend before you take the trade for buy or sell. So what I'm just trying to let you understand, that you should always follow the trend. The advice that I'm giving every trader I know and whoever I know in this business, always follow the trend. Always follow the trend. If you follow the trend, the market will never disobey your entry and will never hit your stop loss. But when you are not trading with the trend, that's when the market will always hit your stop loss. Because you are a retail trader, you don't have enough equity to withstand any drawdown from the market, especially when you are being greedy and not consider your risk management, because risk management is the mother of every strategy. No matter how good a strategy is, if you don't have a very good risk management and money management, you will fail, because you will enter a bad trade, and that bad trade will surely surprise you and shock you. To give you a recap, this strategy is called the honorable strategy. That's the name of this strategy. We call this strategy the honorable strategy. You can see this is our confirmation, and let's show you some backtest results. Let me show you some backtest result for buy and sell. Look at it here. You see, this is a base point. You can see this is a base point. If I move this side and move this side, the market is still on this resistance. And you see, after these confirmations, let me give you instance. You see, look at it here. Market confirmed here, cross confirmed here, and that's why we're able to arrive at this level. You see the market up to this level. So let's go on. This is another level. This is another entry. This is another entry. Look at it. This is another entry here. See, another entry here. The market was able to, you see, this is another entry. This is it. This is the confirmation, and this is another confirmation. And the market is what? It's in an, even though the market is not in a downtrend or is in an uptrend. No, the market is in an uptrend because the market is forming a what? Look at higher lows, higher highs, higher highs. So you can easily support a trend line that would define the exact direction of the market for you. So let's check some backtest on others trades. Let's check on because this is on range break. Let's check on Crash 500. You see, wow, I've gotten an entry now. I have gotten an entry now. I may take a trade, but let me check. This market is in an uptrend. Let me check the previous higher time frame. Yeah. This market is as a resistance level. Market is as a resistance level. You see, the market is even crossing a 250 moving average on daily chart. So with this, these are series of higher highs and higher lows. So this signifies uptrend, but the market is reacting toward a strong resistance area here, and it's testing it for the first time after the break. So I think I think I even gave this sell signal. So let me just go to my entry. This is where my signals confirmed. This is where my signals confirmed. This is my signals confirmed. I think I will take a trade now. I will take a trade. I will sell my market. Look at it here. I will sell my market because I've gotten my confirmation from this trade. Look at it. I've gotten my confirmations from this trade. See, number one, the market is at a resistance level. Number two, all the moving averages together with the moving averages, all at this base support level, and they all cross down below what? Below the 200 exponential moving average, and this is what confirms the entry for me and is allowing me to trade. This is at non-global access forex. For those that are new to this channel, please, if you find value in this video, kindly appreciate me with a like on this video and a comment as well. If you didn't find any value in this video, please kindly dislike this video, number one, and also give me a feedback on how I'll upgrade my next video. This is at non-global access forex. Let me give you a live backtest, a last backtest on Boom 1000. I use Crash 500. You can see, but this market is confirming an entry from, but market spiked. But let me just give you look at this boom. So you can easily use this strategy to catch spikes easily. You can see you can catch spikes with it. Look at it. This is where the market confirmed its entry here. All the moving average are at this base support level. You can see it here. Second confirmation, it spiked and crossed above this 50 exponential moving average. Let me check my time frame. This market is an uptrend. Look at it. It's in an uptrend. Look at the higher time frame. Exactly. Look at the higher time frame. You see, this is it. Look at the higher time frame. Market is going off. So it's very, very cool to understand. You see, this is it and this is it. So thank you for giving me your time. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your loved ones so that we can be able to have more people to join us in this team. With respect to this trade, you see, I just entered a signal for you now. Market is already in profit. Market is already in profit. Look at it. I was catching a spike with this signal, and market is already in profit. You can see the trade here. Both market are in profit. I just take this signal, you see, I just take this signal now, and the market have been in profit already. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. This is nice to talk to you here. See you in my next video.
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى